Today, I have an exciting video for you that will help improve your English language skills. I'll be sharing 50 daily use English sentences that you can incorporate into your daily conversations. So, let's get started. This is the part 1 video and you can watch upcoming parts as well. Sentence 1, good morning. How did you sleep? Sentence 2, can I have a cup of coffee, please? Sentence 3, I need to take a shower before leaving. Sentence 4, what's the weather like today? Sentence 5, sorry, I'm running late. Can we reschedule? Sentence 6, how was your day at work? Sentence 7, what's your favorite type of music? Sentence 8, do you have any plans for the weekend? Sentence 9, I'm really hungry. Let's grab some food. Sentence 10, can you help me with this task, please? Sentence 11, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Could you please repeat it? Sentence 12, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? Sentence 13, I'm excited about the upcoming vacation. Sentence 14, can you recommend a good restaurant around here? Sentence 15, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Sentence 16, may I have the bill, please? Sentence 17, it was nice meeting you. Take care. Sentence 18, I'm looking forward to our next meeting. Sentence 19, can you give me directions to the nearest pharmacy? Sentence 20, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Sentence 21, let's go for a walk in the park. Sentence 22, could you please pass me the salt? Sentence 23, I'm interested in learning a new language. Sentence 24, do you have any recommendations for a good book? Sentence 25, I love spending time with my family and friends. Sentence 26, can you lend me a hand with this heavy box? Sentence 27, I'm sorry, but I don't understand what you're saying. Sentence 28, what's your favorite movie genre? Sentence 29, let's meet at the cafe around the corner. Sentence 30, could you remind me of the deadline for this project? Sentence 31, I'm really tired. I could use a good night's sleep. Sentence 32, do you have any pets? Sentence 33, I'm going to the gym to work out. Sentence 34, can you please turn down the volume? Sentence 35, I'm looking for a new job opportunity. Sentence 36, what's your opinion on current events? Sentence 37, I'm thinking of going on a road trip this summer. Sentence 38, I'll be away on vacation next week. Sentence 39, can you help me choose an outfit for the party? Sentence 40, congratulations on your achievement. Sentence 41, I need to buy groceries on my way home. Sentence 42, let's organize a get-together with our friends. Sentence 43, can you recommend a good place to visit in the city? Sentence 44, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Sentence 45, have you tried the new restaurant downtown? Sentence 46, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Sentence 47, what's your favorite holiday destination? Sentence 48, could you please repeat what you just said? Sentence 49, I'm really proud of my accomplishments. Sentence 50, thank you for being there for me when I needed support. Can you comment a sentence in the comment? We hope you found these 50 daily use English sentences helpful and that you'll incorporate them into your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.